Hi guys! So, I'm sure you are not unfamiliar with the recent flood of fruits. You know the ones, banana, strawberryna, the dancing grapes with eyes, everywhere. But today, we aren't talking about the normal ones. Today, diving into the dark side of the produce aisle. We are going to review the unauthentic knockoffs that mix real-life footage with terrible cartoon elements. We're going to ask question, how do these actually make us feel? Let's start. Question. Hi guys. So,
In the warm glow of a trendy cafe, a secret began to brew between Strawberryna and the cool barista. With a suitcase in hand, she walked away, leaving behind the life they had built together without a word. Bananino stood frozen in the doorway, his heart as heavy as the silence now filling their empty home. The house grew messy, mirroring the quiet sadness in the wide, worried eyes of their young children. Every simple task became an exhausting struggle as he tried to hold the shattered pieces of their world together. Some heartbreaks leave a stain that time cannot wash.
It was supposed to be the perfect getaway, a chance to heal under a golden tropical sun. But the silence between us was louder than the waves. I searched her eyes for the truth. She smiled that same perfect, stylish smile, nodding as if everything was still fine. The facade finally cracked. "Is any of this real?" I asked, my heart breaking in the process. Panic set in. She tried to explain, to reach out, but the words simply wouldn't come. "I'm done, Strawberryna. We can't keep living this beautiful fantasy while our reality falls apart. Back home, our children are waiting. They deserve a life built on honesty, not illusions." I walked away into the twilight. As the sun vanished, I finally found the courage to be alone.
well, how do you feel about these videos? What is the final verdict on these hybrid videos? Yes, they feel lazy, they feel hollow, and they feel a little bit creepy. If you are going to make a fruit video, either cartoon or full real-life ASMR, don't mix them. Uncanny Valley. What do you guys think? Do you like the mixed reality ones? You out too? Let me know in the comments below. Bye! You out too? Let me know. Well, how do you feel about these videos?